Welcome everyone in this new video tutorial about the multiplayer combat editor. In this video we're going to learn how to use the spawn actor function built in the skills. So what is the spawn actor function? Well, it's obvious what it does. It spawns an actor and you can access most of the skill features through that. So let's dive right in by creating a new skill out of our montage skill parent class. So let's just duplicate whatever skill we have, maybe energy blast for instance, and let's call that spawn trap. We're going to spawn traps that actually, what do? They will actually uh, die and deal damage when they hit someone. So let's open up our skill spawn trap. Let's delete spawn projectile and spawn projectile prefab. Let's call that spawn traps, like this. And let's say our third person character has that skill, like that. Spawn trap. So we now have a skill to spawn traps, that's fine. And we can say that we are actually going to create the trap. So let's go to let's create that here. It's not really the good place, but it doesn't matter for now. We're going to create a new actor, which is going to be BP trap. Let's open that up. Let's say there is a static mesh there. It's going to be the root of the actor. It's going to be a cube, and it's going to be small, thin, thin. I said it's not going to have a collision, and it's going to have a trigger collision, which is going to be 150, I mean, like that, but it's going to be so it's a child of static mesh, so it's being scaled. So our box is being scaled in Z depending on our static mesh Z scale, and we don't want that, so we're going to add a scene component and make that the root. Make that the root of our actor. Make the box child of static mesh, like this. Make the box 1 in Z scale. Make the box 150, like this, 50. So we have a trap. Do we have something red? Yes, we do. And we're going to create a new event dispatcher, which is going to be trap triggered. We're going to create two new events. One is going to have to be of type BP trap, and the other is going to be of type actor, triggering actor, and triggering trap. We're going to hit compile, hit save, grab the box. On begin overlap of the box, we're going to trigger the trap with the other actor and ourselves, like this. And then in spawn trap, we are going to call spawn actor, summon actor, like this. The class is the trap we just created. Where do we want to create it? Just in front of us. Get forward range, like 100, and random rotation. No, not random rotation. Duration, we're going to specify 5, for instance. Then we can cast this to BP trap. So this is the actor we just spawned. We know it is a trap, so we can cast the actor spawned into a trap, and we can say assign trap triggered. The event we just created is going to trigger that, and we're going to destroy the trap which have been triggered. We're going to spawn that little bit before in front of us, just in case it spawns directly on us and it triggers the events right away, to avoid triggering the trap ourselves with our character. So let's just check this out. So it's spawning a trap, and when we step on it, it's destroying it. So we need to make sure we are not, that actor is actually a valid target, and the filters there are the targets of the skill. And if this is a valid target, we're going to destroy the trap. So it's not destroying the trap. Let's wait to see if the trap is being destroyed after 5 seconds. It is. But if we spawn that and then the other player changes and steps on it, it's going to remove the trap because the other player is a valid target. The target here is the list of targets we specified there, enemy and neutral. If they step on the trap, they are going to be valid targets. And we can actually simply apply damage. There is no triggering projectile. We can make array of targets, and we can make a fine result. What actor is going to be hit, that one. And then we can build the hit result out of the triggering actor, location, the location of the trap, like that. And was it blocking it? It wasn't. We can plug that here. The location is going to be the same. And then we can simply apply damage to them. So if we spawn a trap, switches team, walk on it, it's not a valid target. And maybe that's because the trap dynamically, okay, that's because the trap when I spawn a trap, the team dynamically changes of who can take damage from it. So we actually generated an actor out of a skill, and then we've successfully bound, we successfully used skill effects depending on another actor, which is the trap, by simply using delegates which call effects in our skill. So that's how you can use that function summon actor. So it's going to wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.